Get ready, eco-warriors and SUV fans! The 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid is here, packing cutting-edge tech and adventure-ready style. Want to see what makes this hybrid a standout? Let's jump into its stunning design, starting with the exterior. Check out this front end. That bold grille with the Honda logo is framed by razor-sharp LED headlights that scream modernity. Parked in this chic showroom, the CR-V Hybrid's glossy silver finish and black accents show off its premium vibe. Perfect for both city streets and off-road trails. Now swing around to the back. Those full-width LED taillights create a bold light bar, and the CR-V and Hybrid badges tell you this is an eco-friendly powerhouse. With its rugged cladding and stylish wheels, this SUV is ready for anything while keeping that sleek Honda look. But the real magic is inside. Hop into this cockpit, and you're met with a futuristic dashboard dominated by a wide digital display. The Honda logo on the steering wheel sets the tone, while ambient orange lighting adds a touch of luxury. The seats, plush and perfect for any journey, wrapped in top-notch materials. Take a look at this tech. The touchscreen handles all your infotainment needs, backed by physical controls for that hands-on feel. It's a smart blend of innovation and practicality, designed to maximize hybrid efficiency, whether you're commuting or exploring. Brilliant. So what's the deal with the 2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid? It's a perfect mix of eco-friendly performance and rugged style, built for adventure and everyday life. From its striking exterior to its high-tech interior, Honda's nailed it. Are you excited for this hybrid hero? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this preview got you pumped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car reviews and adventures. Check out our playlist for other Honda highlights. Until next time, stay green and keep exploring. See you on the road.